Hello, everyone. It's Miss Baxter, and I am pre recording our ELA lesson for Thursday. So, as you know, when we start a new lesson, we usually have new sounds, new words, and there's certain things that we will be doing together. One of the things that you will do is you have in your spelling folder, you will have lesson 11 spelling words for you to trace. So, what I'm going to do is the portion where we actually go over the words, go over the sounds, and sort them. So, in lesson 11, we have the sound of oi. I want you to say that. Oi. Good. So, for the sound of oi, there are two ways to spell that sound. One is O-I, and the other is O-Y. And these words, when you hear them, if that oi sound is at the end, they rhyme. If that oi sound is in the middle, of course, it's the middle sound. And if it's at the beginning, it is the beginning sound. So no matter where it is, we're going to sort words by O-I and O-Y. So let's get started. Let's get over them. Let's get started. Okay, here we go. Here is our first word. Can you see that? That word is, remember the oi sound. Oi. Joy. Now, when we did these, we just highlighted in red the vowel, and we didn't go forward in the lessons. So it's your turn to trace. You will have your J in one color and your OY in red. So, and I just gave you the answer for the first one, and our O joy will go under OY. I don't have my putty, so I'm just going to stick it up there. But for you, for your spelling, you are going to put the joy in one color or black, and the OY will be in red. And we will put joy here. Okay, good job. And if you need to pause between each word, this can be paused to give students time to write the words that they need to write. So, all right, here's the next word. Okay, who can read this word for me? Okay, the beginning sound, p. A middle sound, oi, nt, oint, point. Okay, what letters give us the oi sound? That is correct, the OI. So, now we have to look and see where will that go. Okay, here we have OI or OY. Where does point go? Good. I know you know it. It goes under the OI. Point. Here's our next word. Look here. Okay. Who thinks they can give us this word? Oi. This word is voice. Voice. So, we hear oi. Where will we put this? Where will we sort this? Okay, good. Good job. It goes under the OI. Remember, as we are doing this, you are tracing these same words in your spelling folder. Lesson 11. So you will have your V as in black, your OI as in red, and your CE in black or another color if you choose to use two different colors. But the sound that we are paying attention to is going to be in red. Okay, here we go. Here's your next word. Can you see that? There we go. Let's try to sound it out. First sound, j. The middle sound, oi. And the last sound, n. This word is join. Where would we sort the word join? I'll put it here. Oh, that's not correct? Okay, I'll fix it then. Remember, you will be writing the OI in red and your beginning and ending sound in a different color or in black. Okay, here is our next word. Okay, we're looking for the oi sound. This word is b, oi, b, oi, boy. All right, let's see where that one goes. Who can tell me? Will it go under OI or will it go under OY? It goes right here, right under joy. And those actually rhyme because the oi sound is at the end. Now, if we look over here, point, join, and voice are sorted because they have the same middle sound. They do not have the same ending sound, so therefore they do not rhyme. They just have the same middle sound. Okay, here is our next word. Who can read that one for me? Okay, good job reading. Let's sound it out. K, oi, n. This word is coin. Coin. All right, so what I'm going to do is figure out, does it go, which oi does it go under? I think I know. I bet you do too. It goes under the OI, oi sound. The spelling of OI. All right, remember, take some time. You are tracing the oi in red, and all other letters are to be in the second color or in black. Here we go. Can you see that one? Awesome. Awesome. This word is oi, toy. And what letters give it the oi sound? You got it, the OY. So I will put this under joy and boy. Beautiful. Like I said, even though mine are not done correctly, I want to see yours done correctly. All right, ready? Here's the next one. We're looking at the beginning, middle, and ending sound. Who can read that word? Okay, let us sound it out now. Oil. Oh. Oil. Soil. And look at the spelling of oi right here. And let's see where we are going to sort it and which group of letters it will go under. All right, it goes right under here with point, join, voice, coin, and we just added soil because it gives us the spelling of oi in the form of O-I. Right, here is our next one. Look here. Who thinks they can read that one? This has a special beginning sound. We put those two letters together to sound it out. Who thinks they can read that? Okay, now what I'm going to do is do the spelling. Sp. Not the spelling, the sound, excuse me. Sp. Oil. Let me do that again. Sp. Oil. Spoil. This word is spoil. Let me figure out where it goes. We look at that middle sound and we can sort it. Sometimes I have to hold it up and I'll have to figure out, is it an OI or is it an OY? But it goes under the words with OI. All right, here is another one. Look at that. Look at that. We have the sound as the beginning sound. This has two sounds. Who can read it? Who thinks they have it? All right, now let's look. Oil, oil, oil. Yes, oil. And I'm going to see OI or OY. I double check my word. And I say that it goes here. I'm going to put it up here. I have a couple more. The last time we did this, we actually had sentences for each word. So if you would like to challenge yourself, you can, once we go through all of these, you can pick a word and see if you can give me the sentence using the word with the sound of oi. Here's our next one. This one is maybe kind of tough, but challenge yourself. Look at the beginning, the middle, and the ending sound. Don't let it trick you. I know you can get it. All right, let's sound it out. Ois. That, remember that E at the end does not have a sound. Let's do that again. Ois. Noise. This word is noise. And I'm going to check and see what side. It goes right here on the side where the spelling is OI. Here's the last word. It has another one of those blends. But this blend, when you put the two letters together, make a whole new sound. And look at that. Who thinks they can read it? Okay. It's a challenge. We have done this sound before, though. I do not say k. When we put the C and the H together, we say ch, ch. So let's do it. Ch, oi. And this actually has a sound of S. S. Let's do it again. Ch, ois. Choice. And choice goes right over here. Awesome. So let's go over the words that have the oi sound with the two different spellings. Let's start here. We have OY. We have joy, boy, and toy. Now let's read the words that. Let me just move this over a little bit so you can see. Beautiful. All right. Oh, that's so much better. So this has the spelling of OI. We'll start at the top. We have oil. Make sure you're repeating it. Point. Join. Spoil. Choice. Voice. Coin. Soil. And noise. Great job, everybody. As I said, just make sure that when you write them in your spelling folder, that you are writing the OI and the OY in red, and the other beginning or ending sounds are in a second color. So continue to do a great job. Again, if you want to challenge yourself, please feel free and engage in picking a word like coin and using it in a sentence. I found a coin on the ground. So I think you can do this for every single word. Take turns and challenge yourself. You know we've been working on this, and you have continued to do an amazing job. I expect the same thing today. Have a great day. I'll see you when I get back on Friday. Bye, everybody.